Hey y'all, long time no see. I know. Oh my god, it's literally been like 6 months since my last video. I was like, let me start back doing my YouTube videos. I moved since my last video. I had finally started back posting TikToks, but I was like, I want to get back into long form content and just film my everyday life, the stuff I do at home with my kids. As you can see, I'm cooking. I just got off work. I was supposed to go for a walk today, but as soon as I stepped my foot outside of the door, it started raining, and that's Houston for you. I think this weekend I might get something done to my hair. Don't even hold me accountable. It really just depends on my mood. But so far, I've been in a really good mood. My husband and I just came back from New Orleans, and we had a good time out there. And obviously, we ate good. So, I mean, it's New Orleans. Come on. So, yeah, right now, I'm just making my spaghetti. And I thought I would get it on the vlog for y'all. Hopefully, I can do like a weekly kind of vlog, so it can be like super long. Maybe like 2 hours, y'all. I just got a new laptop. Oh my god, y'all, I'm so excited. Even though it was a laptop that was more than what I initially was looking for, I think this is what is motivating me to make the longer form content, because whenever I would transfer files from my phone to my laptop, either they would get corrupted or it would literally take 5 hours just to transfer a 30-minute clip from my phone to my laptop. And so now I have a phone with even larger storage and a laptop with even larger storage. So, I mean, it ain't nothing stopping me now. So we on YouTube with it. And my tongue is brown because I'm drinking coffee, please. Tell y'all, let's get back to cooking. Let's see if this oil warmed up. I put a little bit too much oil in the pan, but because y'all know ground beef makes its own oil.
Good, loving, feel so numb. Ride me till I'm about to come. I see you are about to claim. Act so, oh girl, don't be shy. Is you ready? Is you ready, baby? You seem ready. You seem ready, baby. Girl, tonight I won't be selfish. It is all for you. Girl, my bad, I just can't help it. Girl, you taste so good. Loving, feel so numb. Ride me till I'm about to come. I see you are about to climb. Act so, oh girl, don't be shy. Hey, shawty's what I'm here for, I'm ready. Are you downtown, when I'm around town, I'm ready. Girl, just let me know what's good. Girl, just let me know what's good. Girl, they won't know, they won't know. Girl, you're beautiful, no, they won't. And the time's still running, and my mind's still running. Clock still high from your Jimmy Choos. Hey, you know I got experience, so you know I just want experience. Girl, my bad, I just can't help it. Oh yeah, you taste so good. Loving, feel so numb. Ride me till I'm about to come. I see you are about to climb. Act so, oh girl, don't be shy. Hey, shawty's what I'm here for, I'm ready. Are you downtown, when I'm around town, I'm ready. Girl, just let me know what's good. Girl, just let me know what's good. Girl, they won't know, they won't know what we do. Girl, you're beautiful, no, they won't know what we do. Shawty curious, get serious. Oh, you say you're curious, oh no. Rolling with codeine and a sweatshirt. Shit, I just might guess it. She just changed your Twitter. The party gets me wetter, and you know that I believe. Cause her pussy the meanest. She don't fuck with many niggas. She don't fuck with any niggas. Yeah, I call all the dips on mine. I call all the nuns and nines. I put on my ice and sleep. She puts on the ice and we stay mobbing food.
I gave it all for a fantasy. Is anybody gonna remember me? If I go tonight, I doubt the world.
So this is how my meatballs came out. I'm about to warm my cast iron skillet up and get these bad boys heated.
20,000, 30,000, 40,000. How much I'ma spend profiling? She come in and compliment my closet. Fuck her on the floor like I don't give a fuck about it. Your judgment get clouded when you clouded. My opposition wish I'd stop smiling. My family wish I'd stop wildin'. I'm still on the east side smoking with my OGs. Cause they the only ones that really know me. I was fucking superstars when I was 19. Shit we did, you won't believe me. Now I'm at the turn up looking lonely. Then they wonder why I'm quiet at them house parties. Cause everybody see me. Roll some blunts and hit her once and now she need me. Her nigga wanna be me, yeah, but they don't know I'm fighting demons. I feel like dying every season. I've been swimming in the deep end. All my bitches know I'm leaving. At some point, whether there's a reason or not, don't try giving me reasons to stop.
Drive. Seen that little Jeep, thought I seen you from behind. Pulled up on the side, wasn't you in the window. You still on my mind, clear the seas, plain and simple. Then I started thinking about the way it used to be. I was on the phone, we got caught on history. Fucking with each other for so long, it gets to me. I'm reminded by the signs that we just aren't meant to be. Tell me it's over without saying it's over. Tell me it's over without saying it's over. Cause I can't take no more. Tell me it's over without saying it's over. Tell me it's over without saying it's over. Tell me. We've been through it all. Late night flights, late night fights. Fucked up the mall. Ain't no price. Your love was priceless. I know I fucked up. You called me lying too many times before. To me back I needed more. I was convinced you was getting even and getting hit by another nigga. Yeah, I was sick. I'm a player, but I gotta admit. Yeah, you hurt me, but I know it ain't as bad as I hurt you. Say you was done. I act like I never hurt you. Tell me it's over without saying it's over. Tell me it's over without saying it's over. Cause I can't take no more. Tell me it's over if you say it. Tell me it's over if you say it. Call me outside just to talk what I'm saying. You done fucked on everything, I can name them, you was dripping. I'm in my feelings, you wanna fix it. Talk about all the time, try to play around with my mind.
$500 for your fucking hair. $200 for your fucking hair. You running out of shoes.
Hey y'all, it is literally almost 10:30 now. And I don't feel like cleaning the kitchen up. I'm tired. After giving my kids a bath. Like, if you know, you know. If you know, you know. That's the workout. And then after they took their bath, my daughter got her hair fully wet. So I had to deal with that. And I went on ahead and styled her hair. So I had to wrestle with her. Child, I'm tired, okay? So I'm gonna probably wake up tomorrow and clean the kitchen. And I'm gonna just call it a night for the night. I'm gonna put the food up and, you know, just straighten up a little bit. But other than that, I'm not gonna clean the kitchen tonight. I'm gonna probably wake up early in the morning and clean it, since I have been trying to wake up a little bit earlier to spend a little bit more time with me. This morning I woke up around like 4:30 and I just did my little eyebrows. As you can see, period, I just plucked them because they microbladed on. But you can still see because it's kind of thin. So I did that this morning. And yeah, like, I just want to prioritize spending more time with myself. So yeah, that's pretty much it for tonight. Real quick before I go, I also forgot to tell y'all that somehow this tripod broke. Like, I was literally just unscrewing it to adjust like the part that I put my phone on, and the screw fell out. I'm thinking, oh, okay, I can just screw it back in. I tried to screw it back in, and now the whole dimensions of it is all messed up. I'm gonna have to buy a new tripod, and it's probably time that I buy a new tripod anyway, because this one is a little bit too complicated. I just need like a little simple tripod that I can maneuver easily. And plus, I want a tripod where when I'm doing like head over shots, you don't see the legs of the tripod, if you get what I'm saying. Because I think in some of the clips that in some of the previous clips, you probably could have seen them, but I haven't even looked at the footage yet to know if you can see it or not. But
so I bought you another pair. Girl, I got you another dress. So bring your ass up on them stairs. I buy you shit because you wear it. That's because you know I care. You know you love it here. That's why you keep on coming there. Your nigga can't compete, I swear. He tried So it's never ending. I'm heading out, see life's one day. Treasure from the find. My eyes are in connection. Take a look inside your heart. Is there any room for me? I would have to hold my breath till you get down on one knee, because you only want to hold me when I'm looking good enough. Did you ever fool me? Would you ever picture us? Every time I pull my hair out, where's any outfit? That you'll find me ugly and one day you'll disappear, because what's the point of crying? It was never even enough. Did you ever want me? Was I ever good enough? The boy's a liar, the boy's a liar. He doesn't see ya. You're not looking at me, boy. The boy's a liar, the boy's a liar. He doesn't see ya. You're not looking at me, boy. I'm good enough, 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 I'm good enough.
He say that I'm good enough. Call my think about shit that I shouldn't have. So I tell him it's one of me. He making fun of me. His girl is a bum to me. Like that boy is a cap. Saying he home, but I know where he at. Like, bet he blowing her back. Think about me, cause he know that it's fat. And it been what it been. Calling his phone like he'll send me a pin. Ducking my shit cause he know what I'm on. But when he hit me, I'm not gonna respond. But I don't sleep enough without you. And I can't eat enough without you. If you don't speak, does that mean we're through? Don't like sneaky shit that you do.
The boy's a liar, the boy's a liar. He doesn't see ya. You're not looking at me, boy. The boy's a liar, the boy's a liar. He doesn't see ya. You're not looking at me, boy. Good enough, I'm 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 good enough.
Fell in love when she met me. Tell your ex to come check me. All the shit get messy. I met little mama in the deli. She was a wedding. She was a wedding. She was on it. Ready. I was on it. Heavy. Check why you so sexy. Fell in love when she met me. Tell your ex to come check me. All the shit get messy. Dag. Felt like I had to. Think how you put your words together so perfect, bitch. I'm playing Scrabble. I be just playing with them bitches. I live and I dabble. They don't got beef with you, girl. They just the reason to tag you. I'm from the bottom like gravel. Rap beef, I'm battle. Fabi, it's natural. Hey, brand new drip. I need a brand new bitch. 350, E-class. Jerry got a brand new whip. Get the fencing on the note, they box in the message to him. Hey, when I step up on him, gotta shoot with me, he better do him like that. I put the work to him, he be running fast and he better do him like that. But you can never get away. They know I'm heavy on the straights. I'm probably moving with the trace, getting boom you in the way. I put the shooters in your face. Hey, it's Fabi, I'm lace. I'm all over the place. Tito, car, speed. Race. I met little mama in the deli. She was a wedding. She was horny, ready. I was on it, heavy. Check why you so sexy. She fell in love when she met me. Tell your ex to come check me. All the shit get messy. Met little mama in the deli. She was a wedding. She was on it. Ready. I was on it. Heavy. Check why you so sexy. She fell in love when she met me. Tell your ex to come check me. All the shit get messy. She love me on the low. She keep on loving on my post. She say me and her phone is cash for cause I'm always gon' ghost. And she sending everybody blue hearts cause she always with the lows. I love the money the most. Got the curry, I'ma go. Hold on, wait, dope stepper. Tito and Sosa, the salt and pepper. That's black and white cause it go together. I'm getting dressed, I ain't know the weather. Home, hey, with a Henny in my system, make it go ever. The ops hit me, they know I'm better. Hey, with me mad. I knew she'd love me to death. Nigga, the way that I stats. All this drip when I dress. Hey, flex. Fast, Fabi, I'm next. And I put that on the set. Hey, she need me. She told me she need me. She give me whatever I want. She a genie. Hey, gotta pay for a feature. No freebies. I like how you move. Father, teach me. Hey, I met little mama in the deli. Hey, she was a wedding. She was on it. Ready. I was on it. Heavy. Check why you so sexy. She fell in love when she met me. Tell your ex to come check me. All the shit get messy. I met little mama in the deli. She was a wedding. She was on it. Ready. I was on it. Heavy. Check why you so sexy. Fell in love when she met me. Tell your ex to come check me. All the shit get messy.
Bounce on that shit, damn. 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 Bounce on that shit, no hands. Bounce on that shit, damn. Bounce on that shit, no hands. Bounce on that shit, damn. Bounce on that shit, no hands. Bounce on that shit, damn. Bounce on that shit, no hands. Bounce on that shit, damn. Bounce on that shit, no hands. Bounce on that shit, damn. Bounce on that shit, no hands. Bounce on that shit, damn. Bounce on that shit, no hands. Bounce on that shit, damn. Bounce on that shit, no hands. Bounce on that shit, damn. Bounce on that shit, no hands.
Sticking to the code, all these hoes for the I put it in her nose, it's gonna make her pussy weak.
Pussy niggas told ain't gon' wake up at they sleep. You can't hear that switch, but you can hear them niggas scream. All my hoes do shrooms, nigga, all my hoes do coke. 20 carat ring, I put my fingers down her throat. If I lose a carat, she might choke. I know she gon' swallow, she a goat. Free band nigga, bring the rats in. Trap the shooters in the corner, like the pack in. She think Kush's at it, bitch, she a track, yeah. That's that shit that get you put up at the section. And the model still the same. Ball like I won a championship game. You know these hoes hungry, they gon' fuck for a name. I put her on the game, she get fucked for a chain. Got your girl in this bitch, she twirling on the dick. Girl in this bitch, she twirling on the dick. I got syrup in this bitch, turn up in this bitch. Everybody syrup in this bitch, turn up in this bitch. Everybody corners on me, baby, you know it's game time. Bring a friend, bitch, we fuck them at the same time. I'm a different nigga, no, we not the same kind. You can't have that look, bitch, you ain't mine. Selling dope, cause you like that. Kicking doors, kicking in doors, cause you like that. Young cold nigga selling lows, cause you like that. All 24, you won't go, cause you like that. Niggas from the bottom really like, cause you like that. Stepping in releases if you like, cause you like that. Pop another bottle, selling lows, cause you like that. All 24, you won't go, cause you like that.
These niggas talking out of their neck. Don't put no coughing out of your mouth. I'm way too paranoid for a threat. Hey, let's get it, bro. EOT, the money, power, respect. The last one is better. Say there's a lot of goofies with a check. I mean, I hope them sentiments symbolic. My temperament bipolar, I choose violence. Okay, let's get it up. It's time for him to prove that he's a problem. Niggas clicking up, but it cannot be legit. No 40 water, tell him. Yeah, get up with me. Fuck sneak this and first person shooter. I hope they came with 3 switches. I'd crash out like fuck rap. This Melly Mel if I had to. Got 2 T's with me. I'm snatching chains and burning tattoos. It's up. Lost too many soldiers not to play it safe. If he walk around with that stick, it ain't Andre 3K. Think I won't drop the location. I still got PTSD. Motherfuck the big 3. Nigga, it's just big me. Nigga, boom. I'm really like that. And your best work is a light pack. Nigga, Prince outlived like Jack. Nigga, boom. For all your dogs getting buried. That's a K with all these 9s. He gon' see Pet Cemetery, nigga.
Selling dope, is you like that? Kicking doors, kicking in doors, is you like that? Young nigga selling lows, is you like that? All 24, you won't go, is you like that? Niggas from the bottom really like, is you like that? Stepping in balances if you like, is you like that? Pop another bottle, selling lows, is you like that? All 24, you won't go, is you like that? Young nigga selling dope, is you like that? Kicking doors, kicking in doors, is you like that? Nigga selling lows, is you like that? All 24, you won't go, is you like that? Niggas from the bottom really like, is you like that? Stepping in balances if you like, is you like that? Pop another bottle, selling lows, is you like that? All 24, you won't go, is you like that? Can you bring in dope niggas, John slanging powder? Walking a strip club, make it rain for 3 hours. Locked in and I got my film in my driver. Perked out, took chances in my hood like no daughter. Served out outside like interior lasagna. 100,000, I just cashed out on the designer. Got the barrel, and they got learned in the jungle. Once I said it's low, that's $1 million in a week.
I'm thicker than a snicker, I'm thicker than your ninja. I'm going in no D. I'm going in no D. I'm going in no D. I'm thicker than a snicker, I'm thicker than your ninja. I'm going in no D. I'm going in no D. I'm going in no D. the best BBL in history.
Hey y'all, so it's literally Saturday. I started cleaning around 9. I want to say like 8 or 9 a.m. I woke up early because I was supposed to clean that night after I cooked. It didn't happen. Nope. And I don't know what was going on, like, but this whole week I was just drained. So kitchen just didn't get clean, so it looked a mess. So I've been in here doing a deep clean. I cleaned my fridge, I cleaned the microwave and the stove, did all the dishes. Now I'm about to finish cleaning my fridge and put my kids in the tub real quick. I was supposed to be getting my hair done right now, but I had to reschedule for tomorrow. I just want to get this shit out the way real quick. And then I want to get my nails cut down because I don't know, I'm not feeling the long nails no more. And maybe it's the colors, maybe, I don't know, but like it's overstimulating me. But anyway, while I'm about to put my kids in the shower and while in the tub, and while they are in the tub, I'm gonna be finished cleaning up the fridge real quick, which I just gotta wash these. I just need to wash this and put it back in there. And I need to vacuum, and I might clean the dining room table. A good thing that the kids' restroom is right here, so it's not like I'm gonna be leaving them unattended or nothing. I'm gonna still be, I can keep my own eye on them while they just literally playing in the water, because I know that's all they're gonna be doing. So I'm gonna get that knocked out the way, and then I think we're gonna go to Walmart and H-E-B. But I need to take a shower, I need to wash my hair. So child, we gonna see. It's 11:30 right now. So we're gonna see where the day takes us. I need to charge up my phones and take this trash out. So yeah, I'm trying to hold myself accountable with recording these videos. The cleaning video, the clip that was in this video, I don't know if it's gonna be before or after, whatever. It's probably gonna be before though. The cleaning clip, that was literally an hour long. My phone is 512 gigs. I used up like 20 just on the hour long video. So that's why I'm glad that I got this phone. Like, there's literally nothing stopping me from recording YouTube videos now. So I got my apartment, got my equipment. Now I'm just, you know, doing what I always said that I wanted to do, what I always knew I wanted to do. So y'all should do it too. Leave a comment in the comment section letting me know what your goal is and how you're gonna hold yourself accountable so we can hold each other accountable for doing the things that we want to do. Anyways, let me stop all this rambling and I'm finna get back to cleaning up. I'll talk with y'all in a little second.
You want it all, don't you?
I know that you're drunk. Tell me what you want after this club. You know you're nasty. Don't ride in my house, you caught a taxi. I'm picky with my women, I'm deciding. Call me to your baby, I'm sliding.
Just got back from the grocery store and there was a fat ass wasp in the house. It's already been a day. It's hot as hell outside. 93 degrees. Kids want to act up. Anyway, y'all, let's get into this grocery haul. I went to H-E-B, Walmart, and Target. I guess I'll start with H-E-B, but my groceries all scattered over the place. We literally have to clear the counter so it can kill the wasp. It was flying right above my head. Y'all, I almost lost my life. Yeah. I'm being over dramatic. We got, what's this? Pancakes and sausage on a stick. Comes in handy every weekend, I swear. These fruit bars, 10 out of 10. It's been my favorite like nighttime snack. If because I like to be like super cold right when I get into bed, this does the trick. And I think it's made out of real fruit, so it don't have a lot of sugar, it don't have a lot of carbs. It's just a cool little snack in the summertime. Cuties. I think these are plums. I got 2 boxes of Capri, or 3 boxes of Capri Sun. I don't know what the other one is right now. I got this turkey meat for sandwiches and Colby Jack cheese. I got coffee creamer for my addiction. I'm so shocked that Target finally had these trash bags, y'all, my pink trash bags. And I got the big box of 90 so I can be stocked up for a good lunch juice. And this is what I went to Walmart for. My homegirl was telling me they got $5 bras. And the bra that I'm wearing right now is too big because I lost a lot of weight. And I mean, it's always been kind of big, but now it's like, it's mainly just taking up, like it's just a bunch of air inside the bra and it's kind of awkward to wear it. So I got these 2 bras. Why is this stuck? I got these 2 bras and I think it's a little bit smaller, but if I can't fit it, I'm gonna take it back. I didn't see any like changing rooms in Walmart, plus I had my daughter with me, so I was like, if it don't fit or whatever, I'll just take it back. And they have these cute little, look at this nightgown. Baby, when I tell you, baby number 3 is gonna be on the way, honey. Yeah, and I think it was on like $14. Get into it, period. So I got that. What's over here, y'all? Let me put these bags up. What's in this bag? Oh, I got some sliced pineapple. If you know, keep it cute, keep it fresh, keep it fun. In this bag, I got honey because I also like to drink Sencha Matcha, the K-Cup pods that are at H-E-B. And I just add a little bit of honey and it's so good. I got some Tony's because I was out of that. I got garlic powder and onion powder. What else? In this bag, it's from Target. I got some new cups for my kids because I don't know what happened to all their little cups and bowls. I think it got lost like in the move or something, so I got them some of that. Cause yeah, after we moved, I don't know, it just got lost. That's weird. Maybe I threw them away though, cause at the end, like when I was just ready to go, I just started throwing stuff away cause it was too much. It's organic milk, and the cashier just told me that if we return this glass bottle to H-E-B, we'll get $2 off of our next purchase because I guess it's part of some recycling program. So that's good to know because the first time I bought it, I didn't know that and I just threw it away and missed out on my $2. So y'all go get y'all money. I bought some Dawn dish soap because I was completely out. A new can opener because the one that we had broke, and some TheraBreath mouthwash. This is the best mouthwash. I actually like it better than Listerine because it's not so like harsh. Like after I like gargle with Listerine, I just feel like my whole mouth is on fire. And with this one, I don't feel like my mouth is on fire. And I feel like Listerine make my breath smell like an old man. This one just makes my breath smell fresh. So yeah, I think that would be better for me. Some bread. What's in here? Goldfish. Baby, let me tell you. This is my jam. Usually I get the colorful ones, but I didn't see them in the aisle. Or maybe I wasn't really paying attention, but goldfish. Yeah, and in this bag, it's just oatmeal. This is my Honey Nut Cheerios. I love Cheerios. And the third.
Heart turn to chrome, rather see my heart turn crystal. I can't even run like I'll miss ya. Right now I'm just stuck inside a crib on my own. Soon as I free up, I'm about to pop up on your phone. Like I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT. Two-turn, baby girl, you know me. Who am I? All the niggas around me, ride or die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. Two-turn, baby girl, you know me. Yeah. Heart still on javelin, baby. Two-turn, baby girl, you know me. I was pulling off, but they knew me. Sometimes I wish there was two of me, or three of me, when it was you and me. I felt like I love you too much to change you. You believe in angles more than angels. Feel like I've been going through too much to explain to you, but I'm still the same way I was when I came to you. Everything I have, what I had to exchange for you. Everything I've been through, I can't even complain to you. Wish it stayed the same for you, sorry. I'm sorry. I'm outside in it. I'm outside in it.
Oh my God, babe, who is she? Who is she? It's me. Hey y'all. So remember what I said about cleaning the restroom and this, that didn't happen. Did not happen. We didn't get home until midnight, and I had my hair appointment today, obviously. So when we got home, literally we went straight. Actually, we got home at like 1. So when I got home, yeah, straight to bed. I didn't do any of the cleaning. And then tonight we're gonna have a celebration dinner for my sister because she got a promotion. And I might clean. That's a real light might, cause hey, you never know. Might have to wait till next weekend for the restroom to get clean, which I'm not tripping about personally. But anyways, I just wanted to come on here to show y'all my hair real quick. Period. Okay, I'll be back.